Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can access and use ChatGPT to communicate with the AI, for instance, using the Opera web browser without visiting the website of ChatGPT and without signing up there with your account. So what you want to do, guys, is simply launch Opera on your PC or laptop, and here on your home screen, simply click on that icon here in the very bottom left corner, sidebar setup, to access your your Opera sidebar. And here you will see a section called AI services, and among these you will see ChatGPT. It is currently disabled for me or turned off, but you may turn it on anytime by simply selecting or checking that checkmark box or checkbox here, just like that, and it's going to add ChatGPT to your sidebar. So if I click on it here in the sidebar, ChatGPT will launch instantaneously so that you can ask it anything by posting a question here below and start a conversation with ChatGPT, or alternately use your voice mode, for instance, through your microphone, or log into your account by clicking on login here at the top. And that's basically it. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.